Comment nous y est? Bienvenue à la chaîne YouTube préférée nous. Hello! Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Hola! Bienvenido à ton canal de YouTube favorito. Salut! Bienvenue à votre chaîne de YouTube préférée. Hello! Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Welcome back to Langpam. My name is Lionel or LP. In today's video, we're going to finish the chapter of the articles by looking into the indefinite ones. But before we do so, do you remember yo? Faut t'y poser na vini tale. We'll be right back. First, let's talk about yo. We have seen yo in the previous video as the third person of pronoun plural, like in yo pale, and also as article and placed after the noun, like machine yo. Yo could also be used to form the demonstrative adjective, these, those, sayo, silayo, the possessive adjectives, there, yo, payo, example, machine yo, and you need to be in context of not to consider yo as article, as pronoun, object, or verb, like them. Example would be, nous pi bon passe yo, we are better than them. And lastly, as possessive pronoun, payo, theirs. Example would be payo piche, theirs are more expensive. In summary, they, those, these, them, their, and theirs all have a yo and them. Now, let's talk about the indefinite articles. In Haitian, the indefinite articles are yon, example, yon cadeau, and kek, example, kek bateau. Other adjectives or pronouns, if you want to call them as such, in this regard would be en pile, plaisir, yon ban, yon paquet. Example, yon ban moun ap di lang pam se sa net. Well, in our next video, we're going to look into the personal pronouns and some contractions / abbreviation of them. Also, some frequently used verbs to continue expanding our vocabulary. Thank you. See you on the next.
Moun ki ba abone ya, se kopon yo ba kopon sa ki abone ya. Abone se subscribe. Lewe si rating la, se pou peze, apre sa ou deja abone. Apre sa wap wè tout lot an video ki poste ya. Bye guys.